Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode of Just the Tip, and today I'm your host, Trace H. Ace, and today I'm going to show you what a riv nut is. So, real simple, this little contraption here is a rivet nut, or nutsert as some people call it, and all it does is able to give you a threaded hole inserted into something. So I'm working on a bracket here. So this little nutsert right here, got a special tool that we're going to use. All you got to do is find the correct drill size, the correct hole of the nutsert, which in this instance for a M6x1 bolt that we're going to use is a 2364 hole. It's going to slide in here. So we have this tool here. This is the Nutsert tool. It comes in a couple different ways. This one is this scissor type. There's another one that like pumps. You can get them all over the place. Everywhere has them. Just Google Nutsert or Rivet Nut tool. So then all you're going to do is there you have it. Now you have a nice threaded piece. Hope you enjoyed. Stay tuned for more.